That uncomfortable pillow keeps you up all night. You fold it, flip it, and fluff it, but it's never quite right. Not anymore. Now there's Egg Sleeper, the incredible new pillow that's so comfortable and supportive, you can run over it with eggs inside and they just don't break. But are they real? Absolutely. Even sit on it with all your weight and not one egg is cracked. It's simply amazing. Yet it's a super soft, ultra comfortable pillow that'll guarantee you a sound night's sleep every night. The ergonomic design will cradle your head in comfort. It instantly conforms to your shape, whether you're a back sleeper, a side sleeper, or sleep on your belly.
It's so soft. I've never really felt anything like this before. Oh yeah, this is amazing.
Any position I'm in, it's perfect.
Can I take this home with me?
The secret is the super soft, ultralight molecular foam that works together to create a superior form-fitting pillow with customized support.